Hello, my name is Juliet Camila Rodriguez Martinez, and I have 24 old years. I am business administration student at the National Open and Design University. I live in the municipality of Cumaribo, Bichada. Today, I'm going to talk about the environmental problems associated with the use of pesticides and fertilizers in my country, Colombia, but more specifically in my municipio, Cumaribo. The use of these pesticides provides us with various benefits in the terms of production. However, this misuse brings with it a series of adverse effects on the health and the environment. In my municipality, there were an increase these fertilizers and pesticides use in cow-leaf crops a few years ago when this material was the basis of the economy for many Bichadense families. Pesticides act in the short term on the environment near the place where they are applied. This causes immediate contamination of the environment and the death of various sensitive organisms that were not intended to be affected, such as insects that are natural enemies of pests or those that man considers beneficial. They also have long-term effects of the development of resistance obtained by pest organisms and the appearance of new pests, emerging pests, or secondary pests. All this brought with a serious environmental problem that brought us as disaster for people and the animals, along with soil erosion and the loss nutrients in the environment and those other negative consequences, such as the contamination of drinking water and the effects it brings on human life due to sanitary conditions. In my personal opinion, as a possible solution, he could propose promoting the use of natural fertilizer and in their use encourage the use of adequate personal protection equipment such as respiration protection, glasses, clothing, gloves, and boots. In this way, we would avoid further damaging the environment and our land of Cumaribo, Bichada.